In this video, I'm going to be walking over Blueberry funded, a broker-backed prop firm that I think has a lot of potential for traders in 2025. So before we get into it, you can use the code JB to get great discount codes, 25% off with Blueberry funded. I'm going to walk through the current challenge that I'm doing through them. And again, use the code JB, best discounts as always. So let's walk through it. Okay, so kind of like we're in this weird space with prop firms at the moment where a lot of what happened with Forex funds and everything like that is kind of behind us. And we're moving actually to a time where brokers, regulated brokers that have licensing are actually coming into the space, such as Blueberry Markets, Owanda is another one, and Think Capital, right? And there's a few others, but those are the main ones. And I think it's a great space. Obviously, I think personally what I've seen, just in my own dealings is that personal brokerage accounts are actually losing out on money and the ability to actually make money from traders' volume, because a lot of traders are not trading with these prop firms. And that's where we actually are seeing these brokerage businesses, brokers coming into the prop firm space. And I think it's only brokers would not come into the space unless the prop firm game was actually, legit and making money. So I definitely think go check out Blueberry Funded. As mentioned, 25% off using the code JB. They got very, very similar rules to FTMO. So let's go over it. This is their website. Very, very clean. I must say, they've got a very nice dashboard. So clean, very, very clean dashboard as well as website. So this is the website. They have one-step, two-step, and rapid accounts. Personally, I've gone for the two-step account. So on the two-step account, industry standard, 10% profit target for phase 1, 5% for phase 2, with a max total static drawdown of 10%. Exactly the same as FTMO. The one-step accounts, which are actually also very neat, is a one-step static drawdown, 6% total loss with a 10% profit target. And then I do have some rapid accounts. I haven't personally looked too much into this, but it looks like this offers the trailing drawdown. You got to make a 5% profit target with a 4% loss and a daily loss limit of 3%. But then, you kind of have to. That's the trailing drawdown one, which I'm not a big fan of. So let's just go to that two-step account and let's go to 100K. Currently going for $500. Okay, as mentioned, 10%. Phase 1, 5% phase 2 with a 10% static drawdown. You pay out frequency every 14 days. And something that I really like, and this is why I do enjoy it, is because you guys know I use Traders Connect to do my trade copying, right? And the link is in my bio as well to show that trade copier. And then, again, you can also add this to TradeZilla, which is very, very neat as well. But if you come here and you want to get funded and you actually put in that code JB, this is why broker-backed prop firm. And if you actually put in the code JB with the coupon code, let's go like that, and you actually apply it, you actually pay $375 for that 100K account, which is obviously very, very nice. But yeah, that's their website. And again, they got the frequently asked questions. You can copy trade, all of that good stuff. Let's come here to my dashboard. So I've got a MetaTrader 5 account. As you can see, two-step phase 1. I'm currently up 0.65%. I must say I very, very much enjoy this dashboard. Shows the trades that I took, my daily summary, average win, average loss, profit factor, high watermark, best trade, worst trade, risk reward ratio. I've only obviously been trading for 2 days, but clear profit targets here on the right-hand side. 10%. I've got to make 10%, $10,000 on this 100K account for phase 1. With a max daily loss of 5% and max overall loss of 10%. And then obviously minimum trading days is 3, which I actually have traded 2 days. So that should update as well. I've got to make, that's interesting. Maybe I didn't read that minimum trading days too. So that's actually good. We can actually do this live on stream. But let's go to the minimum trading days. So trading days, I think you got to make minimum trading days at 0.5%. Correct. Sorry, I didn't know that. Forgot to add it into the video, but that makes sense. So basically, you have to have 3 days where you got to make a minimum of 0.5%. That has kind of become industry standard now, actually, where traders actually have to do this because they don't want a trader to come in and just gamble it all away and make $10,000 at 10% in the one trading day. They want consistent traders, and obviously, If this is going to make the prop firms like, more sustainable, I'm all for it. Okay, so basically, yeah, you have to make 3 days of 0.5%. Please note the qualifier minimum trading day must gain at least 0.5 of the initial balance in a single trading day. Okay, so I have not done that, as you can see on my dashboard, because I've made like 0.3 and 0.29, 0.29 and 0.35. So up 0.65%. Again, very, very neat dashboard, broker backed prop firm. Go give them a follow. They've got all their social medias here as well. And then again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and use the code JB for best discounts with Blueberry Funded. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.